Hey everybody, this is Robert, your instructor for English 100. Wanted to touch base with you because I have just posted all the remaining work for this semester. We're kind of rounding the final bend here, and we're heading into our final two projects. The first one is the evaluation argument, which many of you are already launched upon, and it's based around a thesis statement that we've been formulating, which is basically your social issue, which is X, is unjust, ineffective, harmful because of reasons A, B, and C. So that's the total essence of what you're arguing for an evaluation argument based in your research and your good thinking using point information explanation. You know the drill. And of course, MLA citations. We're going to get those together. And one thing we're definitely going to be looking at are your research skills and really like honing your capacity to quote well and argue effectively. So I'm committed that this essay should be one where you really kind of take up a couple notches your research skills. So the evaluation argument. And then we have our final project, which is a reading of Viktor Frankl's magnificent work, Man's Search for Meaning. And we're going to build our final 4 weeks around the reading of that book and all of its extraordinary implications. Um, all the introductory material, my video lectures, everything is posted now for you. You're welcome to go forward. You can work forward now. You can work backward. You can work on the present module. The whole bloody thing is open. So go in there and get engaged. Don't be scared. And I'm also maybe looking at creating some group projects as we come to the conclusion of our class because it's been a long semester. We're in the middle of this COVID madness, and like you all, sometimes my own spirits can flag. I want us to continue forward in a good way together to complete this semester. With a movie, actually, your final is going to be watching the film Life is Beautiful and analyzing it through the lens of Frankl's theory of logotherapy. Anyway, all of that's to come. And I look forward to working with you for the rest of the semester. Remember, too, if you have any questions at any point, you can always reach out to me. You've got my phone number. If I don't pick up, you can always text me. And I really do like it when students keep in touch. Okay. All right. Look forward to working with you.